Hello children, welcome to this session. Today we are going to see Essay 2 revision in Social Science. First let us see about portions and blueprint of January month Essay 2 examination. Portions: Lesson 1 Philanthropist of Sangam Age, Lesson 2 Physical Features of Tamil Nadu. Refer classwork and textbook. Next we will see about blueprint of Essay 2. This time we are going to write total marks 60. Roman letter 1, choose the correct answer for 6 marks. Roman letter 2, fill in the blanks for 6 marks. Roman letter 3, match the following for 6 marks. Roman letter 4, true or false for 6 marks. Roman letter 5, answer the question under the caption for 4 marks. And Roman letter 6, odd one out for 2 marks. Roman letter 7, answer in 1 or 2 sentences for 10 marks. Each question is having 2 marks. Total 10 marks. Roman letter 8, answer in detail. This Roman letter you have to answer 2 questions. Each question is having 5 marks. Total 10 marks. Ninth Roman letter, mark the following rivers on the river map of Tamil Nadu. Name them. 5 marks. Roman letter 10, drawing 5 marks. Now let me recall these lessons first. There are 7 philanthropists were Pagan, Pari, Nedumudikari, Ai, Adiyaman, Nalli and Valviluri. They are ruled different hilly regions at different periods during the Sangam age. They were all powerful, kind and cared for nature and the people. Hills usually have a lot of trees. It is important for people to take care of them. Pagan ruled Palni Hills. One day, while Pagan was on his walk, he saw a peacock shivering. He covered the peacock with shawl. A wise and kind philanthropist called Pari. Pari ruled Paramunadu. This was located in Parammalai, a hill range that starts in Sivaganga district in Tamil Nadu. The Movendas, the Cheras, the Cholas and the Pandyas wanted to make Parampunadu a part of their kingdom. They were not able to win the battles against the Pari and his army individually. They were not able to defeat Pari's army. One day Pari was passing a young jasmine climber. He saw that there was no tree to help the climber to grow. He offered his golden chariot to give support for the climber. Next vallal name Adiyaman. Adiyaman ruled a hilly region Tagadur in Dharmapuri district. One day he was presented with a very rare type of gooseberry. He was told that anyone who ate that rare fruit would be immortal. He offered that fruit to an old Tamil poetess Avayar. Adiyaman told her that there would be many chieftains after him, but there would not be many poetess to teach people how to live life better like her. Okay, next, Val means powerful and Will means bow. He was an expert archer. I also ruled a hilly region in the region of Tondai Mandalam at Tirukkoilur. Nalli ruled the region of Tottimalai under the King Cheran. They were all known for their kindness. Okay, now let's see the next lesson. Physical features of Tamil Nadu. Physical features such as landscape, climate, soil or vegetation. Okay, the first one, location of Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu is located in the south of India. It is the 11th largest state in India. Tamil Nadu shares their boundary with the nearby states. Andhra Pradesh on the north, Karnataka on the northwest, Indian Ocean on the south, Kerala on the west, Bay of Bengal on the east. Kanyakumari is the meeting point of Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean and Bay of Bengal. The Pulicat Lake is situated at the northern end of Tamil Nadu. There are 35 districts in Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu is the only state in India which has both the Western Ghats and the Eastern Ghats. Dottapeta is the highest peak in Nilgiri Hills. Tamil Nadu has various skill stations like Ooty, Kodaikanal, Kolli Hills, Kotagiri and Yerkad. There are 3 plateaus in Tamil Nadu, namely Paramahal Plateau, Coimbatore Plateau and Madurai Plateau. Plains in Tamil Nadu can be divided into river plains and the coastal plains. Tamil Nadu has the third longest coastal line in India. The coastal region extends from Chennai to Kanyakumari. Marina Beach, the second longest urban beach in the world. Rameswaram Bridge is famous for its beautiful view. Kanyakumari beach is famous for its beautiful views of sunrise and sunset over the water. Okay, now let's see the next feature, waterfalls. Waterfalls in an area where the river water flows from a mountain. Tamil Nadu has several waterfalls. First one is an Hokkainakal waterfall, is otherwise called as Niagara of India. Kutralam waterfall, Suruli waterfalls, otherwise called as Meghamalai waterfall. The next one is an Vattapare waterfalls. Tamil Nadu experiences tropical climate and there is a very little difference between summer and winter. Tamil Nadu is dependent on monsoon rains and often faces the droughts if monsoon fails. Seasons of Tamil Nadu. Winter season January to February. Summer season March to May. And southwest monsoon June to September. Northwest monsoon October to December. There are many types of forests across Tamil Nadu. The forests are divided based on the canopy covering. Forests can be grouped as evergreen forest, deciduous forest, and swamp forest. Okay, children, now let us revise the book exercise. Choose the correct answer. The first one, dash is one among the moving thus. Four options are there. First one is an I, second Pari, third Cheran, fourth Nalli. The answer is Cheran. Cheran is one among the moving thus. Second one, the seven philanthropists ruled in the dash. Plains, deserts, rivers, and hilly region. The answer is hilly regions. The seven famous philanthropists ruled in the hilly regions. Parambu Nadu was located in Dash district. What is the correct answer? Yes, Sivaganga district. Parambu Nadu was located in Sivaganga district. Fourth one, Pagan ruled a hilly region in the Dash hills. Yes, Palani Hills. Pagan ruled a hilly region in the Palani Hills. Fifth one, Adiyaman gave a dash to Avayar. Adiyaman gave a gooseberry to Avayar. Adiyaman gave a gooseberry to Avayar. Second lesson, choose. First one, which wildlife sanctuary is located in Tamil Nadu? Okay, the answer is Mudumalai Wildlife Sanctuary. Which wildlife sanctuary is located in Tamil Nadu? Yes, Mudumalai Wildlife Sanctuary. The second one, Western Ghats and the Eastern Ghats meet at Dash. Four options, Aravalli Range, Nilgiri Hills, Himalayan Range and Vindhyas Range. The answer is Nilgiri Range. Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats meet at Nilgiri Hills. Third one, the topmost branches of trees form a chain called Dash. Sunlight, canopy, forest and mangrove. The answer is canopy. The fourth one, Tamil Nadu experience Dash. Extreme winters, highest rainfall, tropical climate, snowfall. Okay, which one is the correct? Yes, tropical climate. Tamil Nadu experience tropical climate. Fifth one, dash are found in the places where there is heavy rainfall. Yes, evergreen forest. The next Roman letter, fill in the blanks. The first one, a wise and kind philanthropist called. Yes, Pari. A wise and kind philanthropist called Pari. Dash was an old Tamil poetess. Yes, Avayar was an old Tamil poetess. Third one, Pagan covered the peacock with shawl. Pagan covered the peacock with shawl. Fourth one, Cheras, Cholas and Pandyas are also called as Movendargal. Cheras, Cholas and Pandyas are also called as Movendargal. Fifth one, Val means powerful and Will means bow. This is a key point of second lesson. In your question paper, Phillips and true or false will be asked from this. Okay. Okay, now let's revise. Das is situated at the northern end of Tamil Nadu. Pulicat Lake is situated at the northern end of Tamil Nadu. The second one, the landscape of Tamil Nadu can be divided into dash categories. How many categories? Yes, four categories. The landscape of Tamil Nadu can be divided into four categories. The third one, the dash forest is located near Chidambaram in Tamil Nadu. Yes, Pichavaram mangrove forest is located near Chidambaram in Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu is located in the dash of India. Yes, south of India. Dash is the highest peak in Nilgiris. Yes, Dottapeta is the highest peak in Nilgiris. Kurinji flowers blossom only once in dash years. Yes, 12 years. 12 years once the Kurinji flowers blossoms. The next one, the coastal region extends from Chennai to dash Kanyakumari. The coastal region extends from Chennai to Kanyakumari. Dash the second largest urban beach in the world. Marina Beach, the second largest urban beach in the world. Dash Falls is called Niagara of India. As Hokkainakal Waterfalls is called Niagara of India. Okay, now let's see the next Roman letter. Match the following. I rule Podigai Hills. Adiyaman rule Dharmapuri district. Valvil Uri ruled Kolli Hills and Pari ruled Sivaganga district. Match the following. Mountain ranges in Tamil Nadu, Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats. Suruli Waterfall, Theni. India's first sea bridge, Pamban Bridge. Pichavaram, Mangrove Forest. Tamil Nadu coastal line, third longest in India. Okay, now let us revise the next Roman letter. True or false? Pari did not care for nature at all. This statement is false. Pari is care for nature. That is why they gave the golden chariot to Jasmine Climber, isn't it? Okay, this statement is wrong. Pari did not care for nature at all. False. Second one, Sangam age had 7 famous philanthropists. The statement is true. The next one, we should value people and animals. That is true. Nedumudi Kari ruled the region of Tottimalai. That statement is false. Tamil Nadu is the 11th largest state in India. Yes, the statement is true. Tamil Nadu is located in the west of India. That statement is false. Tamil Nadu is located at the south of India. So the answer is false. Kurinji flowers blossom once in 2 years. No, that statement is false. Blossom once in how many years once? Yes, 12 years. The answer is false. Tamil Nadu experience hot and humid weather throughout the year. Yes, the statement is true. Deciduous forests do not shed leaves. The statement is false. The deciduous forests shed their leaves during summer. So the answer is false. Okay, next Roman letter, answer the question under the caption. Philanthropist of Sangam age. What did Pagan see when he was taking a walk? Yes, peacock shivering. Which was the region ruled by Pari? Parambu Nadu. What did Adiyaman receive as present? Gooseberry. Next caption, physical features of Tamil Nadu. Where do the Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats meet? Yes, Nilgiri Hills. Second one, where is Kuchalam waterfall located? Yes, Tenkasi. What is the other name for Suruli waterfalls? Yes, Meghamalai Fall. Okay, children, now let's see the next Roman letter. Write the odd one. 4 words given in each questions. Find the word that is different from any of the 3 words. Okay, come let's see. The first one, Nalli, Valviluri, Chola, Pagan. Except Chola, who is a moving there. Rest are comes under in Kadayelu Vallal. So answer is Chola. Second one, Kurinji, Rose, Lotus, Gooseberry. Except gooseberry, which is fruit. All other are flowers. So odd one is gooseberry. Okay, answer is gooseberry. Third one, chariot, helicopter, jet, aeroplane. Except chariot, rest are comes under in air transport. So the answer is chariot. Fourth one, apple, orange, grapes, jasmine. Okay, except jasmine, which is a flower. All others are fruit. So the answer is jasmine. Fifth one, listen, swim, walk, climb. Except listen, all other require the physical movement. So the odd one is listen. The answer is listen. Sixth one, peacock, tiger, cow, deer. Except peacock, which is a bird. The others are animals name. So the answer is peacock. Seventh one, Dharmapuri, Sivaganga, Podigai, Tirunelveli, except Podigai, which is hill's name. Rest are in district name. So the answer is Podigai. Okay, now let's see the next Roman letter. Answer in brief. Name the states that Tamil Nadu shares the boundary with. Answer: Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Indian Ocean, Kerala, and Bay of Bengal. The second one, what are the different landscapes of Tamil Nadu? The landscape of Tamil Nadu can be divided into four categories, namely mountains, plateaus, plains, and coast. Third one, what are the different plains in Tamil Nadu? Plains in Tamil Nadu can be divided into river plains and coastal plains. Fourth one, name the waterfalls in Tamil Nadu. Hokkainikal Waterfalls and Kuchalam Falls, Suruli Waterfalls and Vattaparai Falls. Fifth one, describe the weather of Tamil Nadu in a sentence. Answer: Tamil Nadu experience hot and humid weather almost throughout the year with mild winter. What are the types of forest? The forest can be divided into three types. There are evergreen forest, deciduous forest, and swamp forest. Next question, what was Valvil Ori famous for? Valvil Ori treated all his people equally. Fourth one, what were stopped from the lower regions to Parambunadu? Yes, food and water were stopped from the lower regions to Parambunadu. What is the meaning of Val and Will? Yes, Val means powerful and Will means bow. Okay, now let's see the next Roman letter. Answer in detail. Draw mind map, name of the 7 philanthropists and their regions. Pari. Pari rule Parambunadu. Pagan. Pagan rule Palani Hills. Adiyaman. Adiyaman rule Tagadur. Valvilori rule Kolli Hills. Nalli rule Tottimalai. Ai rule Podigai Hills. Nedumudi Kari rule Tondai Mandalam. Children, now let's see the next question. Differentiate evergreen forest and the deciduous forest. Okay, children, you have to write like this. How to put the line like this. Left hand side and right hand side, you have to write. Don't write the paragraph like this. Okay. These forests are also known as tropical rainforest. These forests are also known as monsoon forest. Second one, these forests do not shed their leaves. These forests shed their leaves during summer. Receiving more than 200 cm of annual rainfall, receiving annual rainfall between 70 to 200 cm. Okay, children, now let's see the map work. On the river map of Tamil Nadu marks the important rivers of Tamil Nadu. Okay, the first one Palar and the tributary river Cheyyar, and the next river Pennar, and the next river didn't mention, and the next big river is mentioned here, that is Kaveri, and the tributary rivers Bhavani and Noyal, and the next river Vellar, and the next river Vaigai, and the last one river Thamirabarani. Next Roman letter drawing. Landscape of Tamil Nadu. The landscape of Tamil Nadu can be divided into how many categories? Yes, 4 categories. What are they? Mountains, rivers, plains, and coast. Okay, children, practice this drawing as it appears on the screen. Okay, dear children, hope this video is very useful for your essay 2 revision. Prepare well for the test. Do your best. All the best, children.